The King and the Whispering Willow. In a grand kingdom ruled by the wise King Alaric, the king struggled to understand what truly made a kingdom prosper. He consulted scholars and sages, but found no answer. One evening, he wandered to the Whispering Willow at the edge of the royal gardens, a tree said to speak wisdom. "Whispering Willow," he asked, "what makes a kingdom truly prosperous?" The tree's leaves rustled, and a soft voice replied, "Prosperity comes from the hearts of the people. Lead with compassion, justice, and unity." Inspired, King Alaric began to listen to his people, made fair decisions, and celebrated their diversity. His genuine care transformed the kingdom into a place of happiness and harmony. Years later, he thanked the willow for its guidance. The tree rustled again, saying, "A prosperous kingdom is like a well-tended garden, nurture it with love." King Alaric's kingdom thrived, and he ruled with the wisdom he had gained. And they lived happily ever after. The